Okay, let's go.
Okay, where's Ryan? Where is he? Oh my goodness! Oh! I'll do it again. I don't know. Where's Ryan? Where's he going? My goodness! I don't know where he went. Oh my goodness. What? What? Oh, where's Ryan? I don't know where she went, guys. Where's she at? Oh, there you are! You got tangled up in that one, didn't you? Yeah. You gotta do it again. Where's Ryan? She's so funny. It like gets all stuck on her face. The like claws. Oh, where are you doing? Oh my goodness! Wow! Oh! Are you poopy? Nope. Nope. You can hit that little red button whenever.